Are you an investor who wants to put your money to work, but you're not sure where to start? Or maybe you're already in the game, but you're looking for a better platform. Well, today we're tackling one of the biggest showdowns in the world of beginner investing, Acorns versus SoFi Invest. Both promise to make investing easy, but they take very different approaches. So which one is right for your financial goals? Let's start with Acorns. The app made a name for itself with its roundups feature, which automatically invests your spare change from everyday purchases. Made a coffee run that was $4.50? The app rounds it up to $5 and invests that 50 cents. It's a brilliant way to save and invest without even thinking about it. Acorns is all about hands-off, automated investing. You pick a portfolio based on your risk tolerance, from conservative to aggressive, and the app does the rest, investing your money in a mix of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. This is perfect if you're a true beginner who wants to build a habit and let your money grow in the background. But here's a key con: Acorns uses a subscription-based fee structure. It's a flat monthly fee of a few dollars. Now, that might not sound like much, but if you have a small account, say just a couple $100s, that monthly fee can eat into your returns significantly. Now, let's pivot to SoFi Invest. SoFi is more of a comprehensive financial platform. While they also have a robo-advisor for automated investing, they give you the option to go active and pick your own stocks, ETFs, and even options. This means if you want more control and want to learn about individual companies, SoFi gives you the tools to do it. You can buy fractional shares, which they call SoFi bits, so you can get a piece of a high-priced stock like Amazon or Google without having to buy a full share. Plus, a huge pro for SoFi is their fee structure. There are no management fees or commissions on stock and ETF trades. However, the downside to SoFi Invest is that with all that extra flexibility, it might be a bit overwhelming for someone who truly wants a set-it-and-forget-it solution. If you're someone who gets decision fatigue and just wants your money to be handled, the choices SoFi offers could be a con. So, to sum it up, if you're a micro-investor who struggles with saving and wants a simple, automated way to get started, Acorns is a fantastic choice, but be mindful of those monthly fees. If you're a new investor who wants a little more control and the flexibility to grow into a more active trader, and you want to avoid management fees, then SoFi Invest is likely the better fit. Ultimately, the best choice depends on you and your investing style. But the most important thing is to just start. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.